Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Install Xcode 15+, Homebrew, and command line tools so builds run reliably. Once done, install Python 3, 11 or Node 18 and an AI SDK. This lets you call models from your code. Create a new Xcode project and add a clear AI folder to hold scripts and model artifacts. Make sure to enable Rosetta for incompatible native libs. This gets you to the first working scaffold quickly and avoids toolchain mismatch issues. Now integrate the AI runtime. Add a Swift package or XC framework for your chosen SDK and configure dependencies in Xcode so builds remain reproducible. Once integrated, choose a bridge. Spawn a Python/Node child process for server-side models, or convert models to core ML for on-device inference. Each has trade-offs in latency and privacy. Then implement async/await or combine for non-blocking calls. Manage tokenization, batching, and exponential retries. Finish by rigorously testing and optimizing. Run instruments to profile latency, memory, and CPU hotspots so you know where to improve. Once done, optimize by quantizing models, caching frequent prompts, paginating outputs, and offloading work to background tasks to keep UI smooth. Finally, validate packaging and entitlements before release. If something goes wrong, check network access, API keys, SDK version mismatches, and core ML conversion compatibility. Those are the common culprits and typically fix build or runtime failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.